Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find X8 Pro, and today I will show you how you can put this phone into recovery mode. So, to get started, you will want to hold power button and volume up at the same time, which will bring up our boot options, and from here just swipe down to turn off your device. When the phone turns off, you want to hold power button and the volume down, and in a moment when you see the OPPO logo on a screen, let go of the power button, but keep holding volume down till we have the language selection visible. There we go. Now here we have three different languages. The one that interests me is the one barely visible, which is English right here. There we go. And in here we have three options, two of which are ways to leave this mode. But one is a factory reset, which is the first one. Format data, if you click on it, it generates a random code which you need to put on a keypad to reset your device. Then we have reboot device and power off. So I'm going to utilize the middle option, which is, as you can see, reboot device, confirm it at the bottom, and this will bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.